Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see OXIN chain, how to bridge your OXIN to wOXIN down. This is the latest update and you have little time for you to perform this particular task so that you'll be able to claim your allocation. Mind you, they want to bridge, that means they will convert your OXIN coin to wOXIN. So we need to explore this together. Now before then, let's go to the Telegram channel and see their latest update. Okay, let's go down. This is the update they made on August 4th. They said that only 3 days left. Bridge final countdown begins. Your personal key is arriving. So every other thing here, they say your task for these 3 days, if you have OXIN in your wallet, complete your deposit quickly, collect the key from the email and store it highly securely and safely. When to claim: once the bridge time frame officially ends, you'll be eligible to use this key to claim your OXIN allocation. So what they are trying to tell you is that if you have an OXIN in your wallet, you need to deposit. That is, you need to bridge your OXIN to wOXIN, and you have little time, 3 days. That now the time I'm recording this video is already morning, so you have 2 days left for you to do this, and I'm going to guide you step by step on how to go about this. And after this, they are going to send you email. The key they are going to send to you in your email is what you are going to use to claim your allocation. So make sure you secure your email whenever it arrives. So before we start, we are going to copy the bridge URL so that we can proceed. So scrolling up, let me find where they posted about the URL, the bridge URL. So I'm also going to attach it in the video description as well so that it will be easy for you guys to copy. Look at it. This is the bridge URL. So I'm going to copy this, so I'm going to highlight to copy, then I'll click on copy link. So we have two options now. First, we need to import OXIN to our Trust wallet. You're going to use any of the Web3 wallet, or let's try going to the bridge here on the OXIN app to know if it will actually work. If it doesn't work, we have to go to Trust wallet and import the OXIN contract address, then we'll continue from there. So let me tap on this bridge. So once you tap on that bridge, it's going to bring you here. So you need to start. So what you need to do now is to click on login to start. Look at this, click on login to start. So you need to sign in. You need to sign in using your email to sign in. So here you're going to put your email or username and password. I believe you know your email or your username you use for your OXIN. You sign in there. So I'm going to put my username and password, then we'll continue. So logging in, verify your identity. They will send me an OTP via my email address. So I'm going to receive the OTP. I'm going to copy that code and paste here. So I've gotten the code. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste that code. Oh, they want me to manually type it. Okay. 428074 428074 428074. Then click on verify code. So the next thing they said, your wallet will be permanently and irreversible linked to your wallet. So you need to connect your wallet. So you click on connect wallet there. Right now we are going to use Trust wallet. I hope this will work because I have not imported the contract address, but if it fails, I have to import it. So I'm going to click on Trust wallet here. So I'm going to open my Trust wallet. Wow, thank God it's coming. It's coming. Can you see? OXIN Bridge Desk wants to connect to your wallet. The network is Binance Smart Chain. So you click on connect, connecting. Okay, let's go back. So my wallet is now connected. My wallet is connected, and here you are going to see bridge allocation amount unlock. I have to bridge, so it is showing unlock now. So let's explore this bridge together. So what you are going to see here, you're going to see KYC verified. I believe by now all of us has done their KYC. It is not difficult to do your KYC. So you're going to see here, this is how to bridge. You have two options to do this. The first one is to deposit OXIN, and the second one is to transfer mining balance. These are the two things you need to do. Deposit OXIN, transfer mining balance. So let's take it one after the other. I'm going to click on this second one, transfer mining balance. So once you click on transfer mining balance, they now say move OXIN from your mining balance into your bridge hub source. This deducts directly from your mining balance, and they say transfer cannot be reserved. So look at here, let's go to the OXIN app. So this is what I have in my mining balance. This is what I'm going to transfer. I have 46 OXIN. So I'm going to transfer it now. Let's go back. Now coming here now, I have 45. Let me just transfer like 10. Now I have 10. Then you click on transfer to hub. Tap on transfer to hub. Wait for it. This is the easiest one to do. Can you see that 10 I transferred? Can you see? You see total locked is 4 OXIN. That is 4 wOXIN estimate. And the one I receive on the hub source is now 6. So if you have any amount to deposit, mind you, you're not going to receive the whole one. They are going to lock some and give you the current balance. I have 6 of my current balance. That means 4 is bond. Out of that 10, I transfer to my wallet, 4 automatically is bond, leaving only 6 OXIN for me. That is the first task. I have done it here. Now the second one is to deposit OXIN. I believe by now everybody have OXIN wallet and have created wallet. It is not difficult to create wallet. Now let's go to OXIN wallet. So this is the OXIN wallet. You tap on it. So you have to unlock your wallet. Let me put my password. So this is OXIN wallet. I have also made a video on how to transfer and create an OXIN wallet. So if you have not watched that video, look at it. So this is the amount of OXIN I have already in the wallet. And that is 58 OXIN, giving me $16. But forget about this dollar equivalent you are seeing here. Now let's go back to the task. So the next one say you should deposit OXIN. So what you are going to do is to click on this OXIN, deposit OXIN here. Native $OXIN only on OXIN chain level 1 only. Sending from Binance, BSC or any other chain will result to permanent loss. So we are sending from your wallet. That is why I say if you have not created a wallet, you make sure to create a wallet and you must already have OXIN in that wallet. If you transfer from BSC from any other wallet, it will result to permanent loss of funds. So go and create your wallet and transfer any amount of OXIN to that wallet so that you can perform this task. That is this bridge task. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer, let me say 10 again. So what you are going to do, and choose to transfer 10 OXIN, 50, 100, any amount. Now you click on generate deposit address. Click on that. So once you do that, once you generate the deposit address, you are now going to click here to copy the address, and you are going to put the exact amount, which is 10, because I put 10 there. So make sure you deposit the exact amount. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this to copy the deposit address. So I will tap on this copy to copy it. Then I will now come back to my OXIN wallet. So I have OXIN here. I'm going to click on OXIN coin, and I'm going to click on send. So here I'm going to put that address that I copied. I'm going to paste the address here and put exactly 10, because that is the address that I generated. That is the deposit address that I generated. Then you click on continue. So I'm going to click on continue now. I have pasted the address. So you're going to click on confirm and send. Can you see broadcasted? Sent 10 OXIN successfully. Then you click on done. Successfully broadcasted. Let's see. Can you see I have sent this to my wallet, and the amount of OXIN I have on my wallet has reduced. Can you see? I now have 48 OXIN. Now let's go back. Can you see deposit confirmed? Did you see? I have deposited the 10 OXIN credited to your hub source. Then you click on done. Can you see it has increased? I now have 12 OXIN. I deposited 10 to to the source hub, and I also deposited 10 from the mining app. That means I transferred 10 to the mining app. The total burn here is 8. So automatically I have done the bridge. After the countdown, once the allocation is over, we are now going to know what amount, can you see, what amount I'm going to receive for my allocation. So it is not difficult. This is it. You will see layer 1 initial claim. One time, 40% of your hub source locked to your bridge allocation, and you're going to see claimed. So once you see this claimed, you are done. What you are now waiting for is for the allocation of your wOXIN. Then you are going to claim it. And mind you, they say they are going to send you a key to your email address. So once you do this and see claim, be expecting your key to your email. They are going to send you that key, and that key is what you are going to use to claim your allocation. I believe this is clear enough. So I have done the layer 1 initial claim. The next one that they are going to introduce is the layer 2, which is the OG pass bonus for those that purchased their OG pass. Then the layer 3 is the premium key daily, and layer 4 is the trade volume bonus. For now, go and do this layer 1, the initial claim, and get that wOXIN. I believe this video is clear enough. So if you try this method, I just went to their Telegram channel and click on that bridge link and follow the process, connected my wallet, and that's all. Now, if you tried my method and it didn't work, all you have to do is just to copy that wOXIN. Let me show you. So what you need to do is just to copy this bridge wOXIN now. Copy it and go to your Web3 browser and paste it and connect your wallet and follow the process to do all these things. Then the next thing that we need to do, if you are using Trust Wallet, let me open my Trust Wallet. If you are using Trust Wallet, what you need to do, come over to the browser section here, and you are going to search that link you copy from their Telegram channel. I'm also going to attach it in the video description. Follow the prompting, connect your wallet, and you are good to go. Now, after that, you might decide to import the contract address. So to import the contract address, you have to import the wOXIN contract address. You are going to see this place that says token. I'm sorry, my pointer is not showing here. Just tap on these tokens. You're going to see tokens by the left hand side. So once you tap on that thing, you are now going to see tokens here. So you are going to click on your top right hand at the top, this bridge or transfer something. Tap on it like this. Now we are going to see Duster Cleaner, manage crypto. Tap on this arrow on the manage crypto. Now we are now going to click on the plus sign here. So tap on that plus sign. So you leave it on token. Now we are going to change it to BNB. Mind you, wOXIN is on BNB. Then you paste the contract address. So this is the contract address, and automatically you are going to see the OXIN chain, the wOXIN, the decimal. You click on import. Can you see? wOXIN is now imported here. Can you see this? It is now imported, and you can see the price of wOXIN on BNB Smart Chain 0.50. Can you see? It is actually pumping 0.50. So this is how to import it. Let's go back. You are going to see that wOXIN will be showing here. So wOXIN is supposed to show here. I think it's still loading. My network is no longer stable. It's loading, but after this, it's going to show here that you are seeing access coin. The last one should be that wOXIN. It is loading, and I believe it's going to drop. So it's loading. The most important thing is for you to just import it so that you can monitor the trade and every other information. So go and do this now and secure your allocation before the final countdown. So thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.